Hello members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to take you through a simple learning. This one probably today we are going to look at a Google Translate. Google Translate simply means how Google help us to translate certain languages. You may have something in English and you want to understand it in Spanish, in French language, in Arabic, even in Luo, in Acholi, it can also do that. So here, what you have to do, you simply need to type what you wanted to understand in a Google page, so Google Translation page. So here you simply have to go up to the Google account. Like for example here, let's see. Then after that, you need to reach up to your Google Gmail account. Sometimes you may not even reach up to the Gmail account. You can end up here in the Google page. So there is this, you check on the right hand side, there is this space here. Are you seeing where my cursor is? This one with the dot hover like 9. So you have to single click. So after, you'll see a number of options: account, drive, Gmail. Also, we shall be looking the next videos, we shall be looking all this, the Google Drive, Google Gmail. So for now, you look for what is called the translate. So here is our translate. So this is where Google can help us to translate certain languages. Like for example, let's say how in English, this one here, it is giving us in English. So take for example, how do we call a boy in Acholi? So you see, it has translated us to Awobi. Okay, so it can give us a number of options. If you want to if you want to select the languages, you can go up to here. It will give you Halu, what, so many things. All the languages in this world, almost they're all here. So this is just simple. So don't get stuck always when you have something written to you. You can even attach your documents here. It can translate, and it gives you the real translation in the language you wanted to know. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for learning. I also urge you to always subscribe so that you don't miss a lot, because there are a lot of things we are still going to learn ahead on how the computers can really ease our work in days-to-day learning and practice or work. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, please. Bye bye.